Apologies for the state of the place, but this is more of an info announcement than a video. In fact, it is an info announcement. It's not a regular video, but my wife has just come out and opened a letter to me from Festool, which states that the Festool Kapex may be affected by the potential to catch fire. So I've read through the information and been onto their website, and essentially, let me get my glasses, some of the Kapex 88 and 120s that were made between 2007 and 2010 could be affected by this issue, whereby if the chop saw is left plugged into the mains permanently, parts of it have been discovered to overheat and in extremely rare cases have caught fire. They go on to say that it's not all Kapex saws that have this issue, and if you go to, I'll put this on the screen and down below, if you go to www.festool.com/retrofit, you can put in the designation of your saw, whether it's KS88 or KS120. Also put in your serial number and your part number, and it will tell you whether yours is one of the affected saws or not. So I've had my saw since 2008, I believe, and I've never had a single issue with it. So the fact that hats off to Festool for announcing it to the world publicly and offering a fix. It's a free fix. If you've got an affected saw, if you've got one of these chop saws, I urge you to go onto the website and enter your details in to find out whether yours is affected or not. If yours is affected, mine is, then the short-term fix is don't leave it plugged in unless you're in the same room as it is, and they will contact you back and arrange for it to be fixed. So just to repeat again, Festool have announced that some of the Kapex chop saws may be affected by an issue that could cause it to overheat and in extreme cases catch fire if it's left plugged into the wall all the time. If you've got a Kapex saw, unplug it, go to the Festool's website, www.festool.com/retrofit, pop in your details and find out whether your saw is safe or not. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Ta-ra.